Can you introduce us to conception of Paxfiles?
Absolutely. Paxfiles is a sanction list checking software. It's an API which is seamlessly integrated into Leon. Leon users will have the opportunity to check all their passengers, crews and aircraft within their trip directly in the operational checklist. So we are super happy that we are actually integrated with Leon. When sending passengers and other entities to our API, the concept behind it is that we will check all those transferred data against currently 17 of the most important sanctions lists. And the user will receive some feedback if something has been found, and if not, also a status message that everything is good. And if something has been found, some in-depth information on what entity, what individual has been found, on what sanction lists, also including some additional explanation on the sanctions list itself.
Okay, you said about several sanction lists. What's the difference to introduce like other people to this topic, and why it's so important to have like many of those sanction lists?
Right. Well, actually, sanction lists are being issued by different authorities. So the main sanction list, the mother of all sanction lists, is the United Nations list, which actually all the other countries tend to copy in some way. But of course, countries, regions, political entities will also adopt those sanctions lists and add or remove individuals or entities based on their individual needs corresponding to their legislation. So therefore, it's important to have a broad set of sanction lists covered in order to be sure that you comply with all the regulations that you have to comply. So for example, there are entities that are only sanctions on one particular list but can't be found on other sanction lists, but it's vital to know that they are sanctioned on any sanction list in order to decide if to do business with those entities or not.
All right, but this is not only to like travel with someone who's on the sanction list, but also to work with someone that is on the sanction list. And why is it important to know your business partner?
Well, actually, it's depending on the authorities that are issuing those sanctions lists. It's strictly prohibited to enter into any business relationship with sanctioned entities. So therefore, not to put your own business and your reputation at risk, you need to check, and you are obliged to check, and therefore, you have to comply with those rules.
All right.